I want to do a really quick review of this picture frame for you. This is an 8x11 picture frame, so for a nice large picture, there are many things that I love about this picture frame. The first one is the wood around the outside. It is real wood. I love the light color. I just want you to be able to see the grain in it, just to see the texture of it. Super nice. And I love that it comes packaged very protected. So all the corners are protected with these little plastic covers so that you're not getting a picture frame that has dinged corners or anything. You can see the way they are put together, nice and solid. It is tempered glass, so it's real glass on the front of it, not just some fake plexiglass. So it's a real tempered glass that's going to protect whatever you put behind it, whether it's a diploma, whether it's a picture, whatever you're wanting to protect here. I love that the back has so many options, okay? So you can have the option of just having it rest on a shelf or on a desk, because it does have a kickstand here that will go out that you can set it either portrait or landscape. But you also have the option of hanging it both portrait and landscape ways, okay? So all of the hardware is put right on here. Doesn't come with the screws itself. You'll have to provide those, but any screw or nail will do. It's not heavy at all, so you wouldn't even necessarily have to worry about hitting a stud. And I love that it is just easy to take in and out. So it's none of those little tabs you try to lift with your fingernail and you're gonna break your fingernails. These ones are ones that just you push down and you slide them and they rotate and they go up in under the lip there. So easy to do, very easy to lock in place, very easy to turn them. They are all around the frame so that whatever you put in here is going to be well protected and is going to stay put and is going to look great. I hope this helped.